Okay, today I'm going to show you how to make tomato paste. This is our own Nigerian tomato paste that is used in jollof rice and other things, or making stew. So this is how we make it. This is tomatoes, and I added habanero because I didn't get the correct peppers that I needed to blend with this. So I added habanero to make it a little bit spicy. The tomatoes are just like 20 pieces, and it's Roma tomatoes that I use. Then I have 2 onions here, and then I have a bowl of this is called sweet mini peppers, because I didn't get I think it's red chili peppers that I used in Florida, but it's not available here. I've not been able to find it, so I'm using this now, the mini peppers. That's why I added the habanero, because I'm not sure if this is going to be spicy at all. So we normally have more of the chili peppers than the tomatoes. That's how I like it, but you can make it any way you like it. So I'm going to blend them up now. All right, so here I've blended everything, and I have it on the stove top. I'm going to dehydrate it until, boil it down until it becomes a thick paste. So that's what I'm going to now use in the jollof rice, and it's also what you can use to make the Nigerian stew. All right. Okay. Now you see that it has boiled down and has become a thick paste. So this is what we want. So I'm going to allow it cool down, then I will pack it. So this is what I will use either for my jollof rice or making stew. So at least now you've gotten how it works. So this is my tomato paste. Thank you.